Welcome to my new video. 3 days ago, I asked you on Discord which kind of content do you prefer between mindset content and breakdown analysis. Okay, the majority of you has chosen breakdown content, so here we are. We are on weekly chart on GJ, but I promise you that I'm going to bring a mindset video too, because I think it's the most important skills for a forex trader. Yeah, but let's start with our breakdown. As many of you already know, I changed a little bit my approach, and now I always start from my analysis from weekly, because weekly tell me the overall direction and it tell me exactly where I am. So I use weekly as my map. Okay, because of course now we have this bullish pressure and a pullback, and I know that I'm into this pullback, into this region, into this discount or equilibrium area. Okay, but even if we have this bullish pressure, if you are up there, it's not a good idea to take a continuation trade. So you should know where you are when you think to take a trade. That's why it's a problem if you do your analysis on 1 minute, straight to 1 minute, because you can't know the region, the area where you are into this moment on a higher time frame perspective. Okay, so yeah, now I know that I'm in this situation, huh? But I need to basically refine and to understand even more where I am on daily and 4 hour. If we scale on daily, we can clearly see the bullish pressure. Okay, so we are bullish even on daily, and we can add more information into this daily chart as this demand and this inefficiency. So now probably the price gonna drop a little bit more to fill this imbalance or to reach this demand. Okay, so now we have two macro areas to looking for our intraday or intra-weekly analysis. Okay, so when it's clear for me the situation on higher time frame like weekly and daily, I can scale into lower time frame or intraday time frame. Okay, or like 4 hour, 10 minutes, etc. Now on 4 hour we have this impulsive leg, this impulsive movement, and this structure corrective movement, and we know that probably the price is going to tap into this level, into this region. Okay, so let's see what kind of price action we gonna have. Cool. Now the price tapped into this 50% inefficiency, or the 50% of this daily inefficiency, and basically mitigate the 4 hour demand. So now we can scale again into 10, 12, 15 minutes, which is my entry time frame, to see what kind of, if we can find some confirmations. Okay, price take out all this liquidity, but we are doing close New York and between closing New York and Asian session, so I'm just waiting. Okay, price create this huge movement, break this structure, trying to break this structure too, and create this 1, 2, 3 mitigation. So for me, this mitigation is a great confirmation of my overall idea, because basically they create the condition to support a lower price. Okay, so my POI on 10 minutes, 12 minutes in this case is this one. We have this inefficiency. And again, we are open London, more liquidity, more liquidity. Liquidity. So as you can see, they trying to fuck up as many traders as possible. That's the reason. Okay, they build this liquidity to reach this level, and you and me sometimes, and people are induced to take a trade up there. Okay, but never, in my opinion at least, I never take a trade up there, because I know that below this level there is a lot of liquidity. So it's like a suicide for me. It's a suicide. Okay, so use your brain, use your narrative, use the narrative to understand why it's not a good idea to take a buy position up there. Okay, sometimes happen. Sometimes I take trade up there because I'm confused, because a lot of reasons, but normally you don't. Okay. Again, price continue to drop. Okay, cool. Now we have a mitigation. They grab all this liquidity. You can do a couple of things. The first one is take this trade immediately, because on daily we are bullish, on weekly we are bullish, and now on 12 minutes we are bullish. So my entry time frame is aligned with my swing chart, swing time frame. Okay, now if you take this trade here down there, of course the target is this liquidity, and it's already 1 to 11 hour. It's okay, it's a great. But if you want, you can looking for more confirmation on lower time frame, on 1 minute, for example, if you like 1 minute. Okay, so again, 1 minute. What we have the same. Its price is fractal. We have almost the same situation. Okay, break the structure, mitigation after mitigation, to reach the extreme again. So if you don't feel comfortable to take risky entry, okay, just looking for more confirmation. We have this. Let me zoom into this entry. Again, we have this inducement, because now is a famous topic, but this inducement, which is liquidity, just liquidity, and this liquidity have a reason to exist, because this liquidity gonna support this lower price. Again, 3 pips stop loss, price stopped into this level perfectly, this ridiculous, and push higher. So again, even if you are a scalper or intraday trader, if you want, I don't know, a lower time frame target like this one or this one, you're already 1 to 10. Job done. But this trade, because you made the overall analysis on higher time frame, have a lot of potential as swing trade. And look the 4 hour, for example, and look the target. equal highs. Okay, again, if you use this level as target, intra-weekly target, we have this unbalanced field, we have this liquidity, so potentially price can reach this level too. But realistically, this level is the best one. Okay, so we have this trade. And we have this risk reward, basically 1 to 40. Okay, so again, price take out this liquidity. So here you 1 to 10. If you have this kind of risk reward at 1 to 10, you already have to take partial and move stop loss at break even, or just partial. It's up to you. I'm gonna make a video for risk management and trade management, because a lot of you are super confused. So yeah, again, price create a pullback, mitigate this level and push higher again. Now is the most important thing. Now is, okay, if my analysis is right, if my analysis is good, I know the direction. So again, 10, 12, 15 minutes, we have this demand. Again, if you have a confirmation entry here, you can use this level. But this level doesn't break this whole high, so pay attention of this information. So this level probably will be used as inducement, because this higher low failed to create a new higher high, so they probably gonna use this level as liquidity and for a continuation. Let's see. Okay, look this kind of movement is very slow movement, and for me all this price action was created to build and generate liquidity. And again, price tapped into this demand area, took out this liquidity, break this structure again, and now is ready to push the price higher. And look, we have one short-term trade, another short-term trade, another short-term trade, another short-term trade, because we knew the direction. But the most important thing is that you potentially could make $50 with one trade, risking 1%. Risking 1%, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10%. Because more trades you open, more risk you put on the table. Remember this. Because a lot of people are focused, okay, if I take 10 trades in a week, I can make more money. No. If you take 10 trades in a week, you risk more money. That's for sure. The output is not sure. Okay? I hope this does make sense. Okay? So again, price reached this level with one trade. But the most important thing is that you didn't, you basically avoid all this short opportunity just because they tapped into this micro supply, etc. Because you knew the direction and you can avoid stupid entries, you can avoid counter trend entries, etc., etc., etc. Okay, In terms of confirmation, you can see this mitigation of this level. This supply failed to create a new lower low and became target. Mitigation of this level, this supply failed to create a new lower low, then this became target. Mitigation of this level, create a new lower low on 12 minutes, and again price tap into this level, break of structure. Tap into the previous supply, failed to create a new lower low, became target. Tap into a micro supply into this level, failed to create a new lower low, this liquidity became target. So you can use this the analysis of supply and demand, weak highs and weak lows, strong highs, strong lows, etc., as confirmation for your overall analysis on higher time frame. Okay guys, I hope this lesson was useful for you. If you have any question, please hit me up on DM or tag me on feedback channel or on question channel or losing trades channel, wherever you want. Okay, feel free to text me whenever you want. Have a nice day. I'll see you next.